Really? Are you okay? Where? Yes. The fake suit that's on the fake suit that's on the real suit. Yeah, that is so much fun. How did that happen? Oh, it was that's not good. Was it painful? You just woke up to that's not serious. I would wake up and be like oh my god, I heard her. I played this much before. Did they grow it? Are they growing it? Are they not going to grow it? Oh, they're just not going to grow it. You got relaxed. I had to get this shit out. Oh, you answered so beautiful. I could only eat like 2 foods because I'm a diabetic. So like I was forced to only eat like 2 soft drinks. And then, no, I couldn't have ice cream. I had to use like really low carb and like I could eat those and like low carb, like basically sugar-free gelatin. That's all I could eat. Yeah. And I was like 4 or 5 days. I can't remember. There might have been 4 or 5 sounds way too OD. Like, I don't know what's worse, death or and the thing is too, and it was so nauseous all the time because it was a surgery procedure, so they had something under it. So the anesthesia, it was so nauseous. And I was just gagging all the time. Like I wanted to throw up. It was awful.
It was a bullshit. That's what happened to me that game.
I would be great. So wait, how does this work?
So much more than that. John, where do we find the majority of the on it? And if it gets whenever I do the lyrics, I just start relaxing. And they're like, what? And they get hair. And I'm like, yes. I used to yell weed when I did.
I'm done.
And they're like, what? And I hit the legs. I'm like, yes.
Kyle.
It's much better than counting around.
I got a master report to load here.